is usually a connection or server communication issue, not a problem with your PC files. Here's how to fix it fast. Fix error code 3008, login timed out. 1. Check server status, very common. Sometimes it's not on your side. If servers are overloaded or down, just wait. Happens often after updates or events. 2. Restart everything, simple but effective. Restart PC, restart router, important, relaunch Blizzard Entertainment Launcher. Measure 3. Switch region, quick fix. Login servers differ by region. Open battle.net, change region, e.g. Asia, Europe, Americas. Try logging in again. This alone fixes it for many players. HAR 4, use wired connection, LAN. Avoid Wi-Fi if possible. Plug Ethernet cable, reduces packet loss and timeout issues. HAR 5, disable VPN/proxy. If you're using VPN, turn it off, try again. Blizzard often blocks or slows VPN traffic. 6. Allow game through firewall. Windows firewall can block connection. Go to firewall settings, allow Diablo IV plus Battle.net launcher. 7. Flush DNS, important network fix. Fixes connection routing issues. Open command prompt admin, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC. 8. Reset network settings. If issue persists, settings, network, advanced network settings, click network reset. 9. Background apps check. Close apps that interfere, VPN apps, network limiters, download managers. Why this happens: server overload,